All right, good morning, guys. This is my breakfast. There's 3 pieces of tandoori chicken. We have pasta from Walmart, 3 oatmeal cookies, and 200 grams of yogurt. This meal is about 1,700 calories. I didn't want eggs today. Guys, it's our leg day. We're kicking things off with the 30 rep squats. Recording?
Yeah.
All right, my turn to suffer through the pain. Not pain, but gotta hit 30. All right, I think this is last set. Fourth and final, keeping the weight the same. Got Lingus here, my lifeline.
Yeah.
All right, Lingus kicking it off with the seated leg curl, one leg at a time. Let's go. From now on, I'm just gonna show you the first and last sets, unless we're doing something special, like a drop set or something. All right, Lingus with his last set, fourth and final seated leg curl. Last set. Single leg extension, my first set. All right, Lingus with his fourth and final set. Okay, so we're gonna superset this machine. We're gonna do hip adduction and adduction. So he's kicking it off with the abduction first. Let's go. Pound set, 180 pounds. Moderate weight, it's really light?
Yeah.
Okay. Call out your weight. Last set.
130 felt like
Too easy?
so heavy.
130?
Yeah.
You're doing 175 now?
Yeah. Let's see. Because it's just a push off that's really hard.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's you just go through it.
That's what develops the muscle.
Yeah.
Let's see if Linkus will leave me to die this time around.
I was so off, so I sat.
It's our grueling leg day. We hit new PRs. I'm gonna go home and have a 2,000 calorie meal. Can't wait for that. Okay. So leg day has been completed. You know, I wanted to eat a big 2,000 calorie meal, so I went to 2-for-1 pizza and I picked up, you know, pineapple and ground beef. Can't wait to dig into this. This is my dinner. I might stretch my calories if I have anything remaining with some oatmeal cookies, cashews, chocolate covered almonds, or just some yogurt because I didn't have a shake today. But yeah, this is my meal. Peace.